Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm Jen with Slingmods.com, and today we have the LED side marker reflectors with integrated turn signals for the Polaris Slingshot. Now, you may have noticed that your Polaris Slingshot came equipped from the factory with an amber reflector up front on both sides of the bike. The stock reflectors do their job at reflecting lights, but we have something you might like even better. Introducing the Gold Aura Amber LED reflectors from the team over at Showchrome. These LED reflectors are a direct replacement for the factory reflectors, still serving their purpose of reflecting light, but now with integrated amber LED running lights and turn signals to increase your presence on the road. They even blink when the hazard lights are on, enhancing your visibility if stranded. The LED reflectors are sold as a pair and seamlessly integrate into the Slingshot wiring with plug-and-play connectors. They measure 2 inches wide by 3 3/4 inches tall and mount securely in place with automotive-grade 3M backing tape. And if you happen to get caught in inclement weather, the reflectors have an IP65 waterproof rating to withstand the elements. Now allow us to walk you through the installation process on one of our shop Slingshots.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Release the hood latch so that you can open the hood. Disconnect your negative battery terminal. Starting on the driver's side, use fishing line to remove your stock reflector. Then use adhesive remover to wipe away any remaining tape and/or residue. Adhere a piece of masking tape in place like so. Measure 2 3/4 inches up from the bottom edge of the surface area where the stock reflector was mounted and 5/8 of an inch in from the outside border. Then mark the point at which those two lines intersect. Hold up the light to the surface area to ensure that your measurements are correct. The harness on the back side of the light should line up with the intersect point. If everything looks good, use a brad point drill bit or a step drill bit to carefully drill a 1/2 inch hole through the plastic using your mark as the center point for your drill bit. Eye protection is recommended. If you use a step drill bit like us, you may consider wrapping the 1/2 inch mark on the bit with masking tape as a visual reference point so that you don't drill the hole too big. Wipe away any debris with a microfiber cloth, then clean the surface area with an alcohol prep pad and allow that to dry. Feed the power harness through the hole in the plastic and test fit the light so that you can familiarize yourself with how it will be adhered. Peel off the protective backing film and carefully press the light into place. Take your time to ensure proper alignment. Then press firmly to ensure maximum adhesion. Once adhered, peel off the protective film from the front of the reflector. Add a dab of dielectric grease to the connector coming off the light and plug in the included sub-harness. Unplug the connector going to your factory corner light and plug it into one side of the sub-harness. Then plug the other side of the sub-harness back into the corner light and repeat on other side. Reconnect your negative battery terminal and turn on your ignition to test both running light and turn signal functionality. If everything is functioning properly, go back through and zip tie your wiring up and out of the way of any and all moving parts and close your hood.
And And that's all there is to it, folks. Now, if grabbing a set of reflectors with LED running lights and turn signals is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set for your sling. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest and greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.